Google's revolutionary AI assistant, SGE, Bard plus DeepMind. Google has just unveiled its most advanced AI assistant yet, called Smart Google Expert, or SGE. This groundbreaking new tool represents a major leap forward in artificial intelligence technology, with capabilities far beyond a standard chatbot. In today's video, I'll be giving you an in-depth look at what makes SGE so special. Firstly, what exactly is SGE? Well, essentially, it's an AI-powered life coach that can provide personalized guidance, generate creative ideas, teach new skills, and help you plan goals, both personal and professional. SGE isn't just designed to respond to your questions. It can proactively make suggestions, ask clarifying questions, admit mistakes, and decline inappropriate requests. It can even remember your previous conversations and preferences, allowing it to offer tailored advice as a supportive companion. So, where did SGE come from? Well, this new AI assistant is the result of Google combining two of its previous major AI products, DeepMind and Google Bard. Let's look briefly at what each one excelled at. DeepMind gained fame in 2016 for developing AlphaGo, an AI system that defeated the world champion in the complex strategy game Go. This was considered a huge milestone for artificial intelligence at the time. DeepMind continued to make waves by creating AI models capable of mastering complex tasks, like protein folding. Meanwhile, Google Bard emerged more recently in 2022 as a conversational AI tool. It uses natural language processing to generate text for almost any prompt, from creative fiction stories to helpful summaries of articles. Bard is essentially an expert at putting information into words. In April 2023, Google combined DeepMind and Bard into a single AI division called Google DeepMind. This merger allowed them to take the best aspects of both previous projects and create something even more powerful, SGE. So, what unique capabilities does SGE offer that set it apart from other AI assistants? There are a few key features that make SGE stand out. Firstly, it excels at providing personalized life advice and guidance for individuals' needs. Whether that's help with a challenging life situation, a moral dilemma, reducing stress or anxiety, or making an important decision, SGE draws on its deep knowledge base to offer tailored suggestions, relatable examples and stories, motivational quotes, and potential solutions or next steps. Unlike a standard chatbot, SGE can engage in genuine two-way dialogue, asking you questions for clarification, incorporating your preferences into its guidance, admitting if it doesn't know something or makes a mistake, and even declining requests if they seem inappropriate or unethical. This makes the advice feel more natural, nuanced, and helpful. Another amazing capability of SGE is its skill at generating original, creative ideas tailored to your needs. Tell it you need suggestions for a birthday present, or a recipe to try, a YouTube video topic, or a small business name, and it will draw on its knowledge to provide personalized, relevant recommendations. What really makes this idea generation unique is that SGE doesn't simply regurgitate existing information from the internet. It actually uses its AI capabilities to synthesize totally new suggestions, utilizing its accumulated knowledge. The ideas often incorporate surprising connections that humans might not think of. A key part of what makes SGE so advanced is the underlying technology powering it, known as RT2. RT2 stands for Robotic Transformer 2, and it's the core AI model developed by Google that enables SGE to perform its wide range of functions. RT2 is a visual language model, meaning it can understand and process both visual data like images as well as textual data. It builds on top of foundational AI models like Palm and Palm-E that Google developed previously. These models work by turning pictures and words into tokens, essentially small pieces of digital information. By analyzing these tokens, the models can interpret the meaning behind images and text. What makes RT2 special is that it takes this a step further by translating the tokens into actionable outputs. Instead of just generating text descriptions, it was trained extensively using data from robots, completing various household tasks over many months. This training enables RT2 to understand instructions and turn them into robotic actions. For example, Commands like pick up the red cup or find the hammer. It can even generalize to some extent, figuring out new instructions it wasn't specifically trained on. In addition, RT2 absorbs vast general knowledge from the internet that allows it to answer broad questions, like what drink is good for someone tired and how do you make a sandwich? So, in summary, RT2 gives SGE an advanced capacity for converting both visual and textual information into intelligent actions. This is what empowers it to provide such helpful, personalized advice and creative suggestions. Moving on, it's important to note that Google took great care in developing SGE responsibly and making sure it meets high ethical standards. They collaborated with over 100 PhD experts specializing in diverse fields like psychology, education, sociology, and business. These experts helped Google DeepMind design SGE in a way that maximizes benefits to users while minimizing harm. For example, they provided input on how to ensure SGE gives sound, fact-based advice, avoiding biases in SGE's guidance and suggestions, building users' trust through transparency about limitations, and protecting user privacy and data security. This aligns with Google's AI principles, their commitment to developing artificial intelligence responsibly. Some key principles they uphold are being socially beneficial and avoiding creating or reinforcing unfair bias, maintaining high levels of privacy and security for users, upholding scientific integrity and transparency about capabilities and limitations. Adhering to ethical AI principles helps safeguard users while allowing us to unlock the many positives of this technology, like SGE's potential to provide better access to knowledge, creativity, and support. Of course, generative AI still has limitations in accuracy and biases. Google is taking a cautious approach with SGE, deliberately limiting its capabilities in certain high-risk areas for now. There's still much work to be done, but overall, it represents an exciting step towards smarter, more assistive AI. I'm curious, what are your thoughts so far on SGE and the possibilities of AI like this? Does it seem concerning or mostly beneficial to you? Let me know in the comments. Next, let's get into how Google plans to integrate SGE with regular searches and what the future could look like. One of the key things to understand about SGE is how Google plans to integrate it with regular Google search. SGE isn't meant to replace Google search and its ability to pull up relevant information from across the web. Rather, Google intends SGE to work alongside search, complementing it in some powerful ways. While search gives you access to information, SGE steps in to provide more personalized and conversational help based on that information. For example, you could first do a regular Google search to learn about different national parks. Then, activate SGE in your browser to ask follow-up questions and get AI-generated guidance about which parks are best suited for your specific travel situation and preferences. SGE has the potential to take a lot of the effort out of searching by automatically synthesizing key information, providing next-step recommendations, and answering subsequent questions conversationally without you having to reformulate searches. Google also envisions SGE being seamlessly integrated into search results themselves. For more complex informational queries, you may see an SGE-powered summarization above regular results, giving you key facts and considerations up front before you dive into the links. So, in essence, Google Search provides the raw information from the web, while SGE adds an intelligent layer on top to help you more rapidly make sense of it all. The two are designed to work together to give you both informed sourcing and personalized guidance. Looking ahead, SGE hints at how AI could reshape and enhance many areas of digital life. As the underlying technology improves, we might see AI assistants like SGE become the default for most web searches, providing conversational guidance instead of just links, create fully customized learning plans adapted to how we best learn as individuals, offer personalized mental health support, connecting us to the right professionals or resources, plan our days and lives in an intuitive way based on our habits, goals, and changing needs. The possibilities are exciting. However, as AI capabilities grow more advanced, we need to pay close attention to concerns around potential over-reliance, loss of human judgment, privacy risks, and more. How much should we depend on AI to guide our lives versus thinking critically for ourselves? Can we keep the human element thriving even with increasingly smart technology? These are important questions to grapple with as we integrate assistants like SGE into more aspects of life. A balanced approach, leveraging AI for good while preserving human autonomy and oversight, will be key. That covers the key details of Google's powerful new AI assistant, SGE, from what it is, to how it works, to what it means for the future of search and artificial intelligence. I'm curious to hear your thoughts, questions, and concerns about advanced AI like SGE. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Thanks for watching.